Welcome back. This is the recap for 9-11. 9/11? No, okay, so basically, here's the fuck what happened. Okay, so going into the day, we're gonna look at spot first. This is what I actually traded, but pretty simple. We have this previous day low and previous day high. We're pretty much looking to break, and I had some other light green zones, like some resistance. And yeah, so basically, coming into the day, I was just like, all right, we're pretty much at the high of the day already. So, like, if we can break through this, we'll probably be good. And then we did. We got not like this is the kind of candle close you want to see. Like, that fucking green dildo, like, absolutely perfect. Um, yeah, boss. But yeah, just and like close above all time high and everything. It's just so beautiful. After that, I was like peak, ready for a pullback. So that's exactly what happened. I entered on this candle. I basically couldn't enter fully because I was in like a hedge. So I had to just sell like an NQ con and then bought it. Or no, I bought an NQ con and then sold it later because my positions were like maxed out. So yeah, but 100% would have taken this trade like full size if I, wasn't in that. But yeah, so entered somewhere on this candle. I think like here, and I just sold here. Obviously got out a little early. Ended up skyrocketing, but it's just the same like basic setup. Nothing really crazy. Second retest didn't work, of course, and then we ended up having this like flag breakout. That's kind of interesting. Like if you bought it here, like I can see that really like flag breakout. Like after it reclaims the 13 EMA, like looks like it's ready to pop. Like the volume died out too. Like what the fuck? Like that actually looks like a perfect like 5-star breakout. And then after that shit just chopped, and the trend pretty much really slowed down. And then like here we did go above, but like I got 3, 4. Oh yeah, that was before. Yeah, that was before there was even a 15-minute close down. It closed so weak. So yeah, great day there. And then QQQ. This is what I was actually hedging, but it had like a fucking I don't even know. We just chopped at this level and then finally broke above. Um, but we honestly resisted this all-time high zone all day. Like there wasn't enough room to really trade anything here because this was the all-time high like pre-market zone that I had marked, and I was like, okay, well we're just literally fucking bouncing that all day up here. So there's really nothing to enter. It was just chop before that too, like very choppy uptrend. And IWM was clean, bro. So we had like nice candle closes, and we were in this like pre-market zone, so it's like okay, it's really not that important. So like if you wanted to take this entry, you definitely could have. When was it? Yeah, if you wanted to take this entry at 10:22, SPY was at. I was like, you would have been at SPY at the same time. But it was a nice entry for sure. But the only thing is though, it was pretty choppy before it came back and retested the 13 EMA. But it ended up working out anyways because just the trend's so strong. But yeah, this is actually not something I usually take because it was mad choppy before it retested, which is pretty sus. And then after that, very choppy trend for the rest of the day. So yeah, that SPY trade was a fucking banger though. Add that John to the freaking. But like seriously, add that shit to the textbook of like A+ setups. Cause that was beautiful. Yeah, pretty cool. But yeah, that's about it for the day. Well, I'll see you later.